Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Toppscholars. Today, we'll be discussing about reactivity of acids and bases. So, friends, let's first start with neutralization. Now, friends, we know about acids and bases, right? We said that acids are substances which, on dissolving in water, dissociate, right, to give us H3O plus ions, right? So, acids, when they are dissolved in water, they dissociate and they give me H3O plus ions, which are called as hydronium ions. Similarly, what about bases? Yes, bases on dissolving in water dissociate to give me OH minus ions in water, right? Now, these acids and bases, they react with each other, resulting in the formation of salt and water. And this reaction is known as the neutralization reaction. So, what is neutralization reaction? Yes, neutralization reaction is a reaction wherein an acid reacts with a base, resulting in the formation of salt and water. Friends, this is a very important reaction. So, please remember, neutralization reaction can be represented by this general equation as you can see over here. Acid plus base gives you salt and water. Exactly. Let's take some example to understand this, right? So, here I have acid HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, and the next one is base, that is sodium hydroxide, right? So, here you can see the acid reacts with the base, that is sodium hydroxide, resulting in the formation of salt and water. The salt which is formed over here is sodium chloride, right? Now, let's move on to the next example. Here we have nitric acid, that is HNO3, which reacts with base, potassium hydroxide, KOH. Again, what we get over here is salt and water. And which is the salt that is formed over here? Potassium nitrate, KNO3. So, this is all about neutralization reaction. And what is neutralization reaction? Yes, when an acid reacts with a base, it results in the formation of salt and water. Now, let's discuss about reaction of acids with metals. Now, friends, generally metals react with acid, resulting in the formation of its salt along with the liberation of hydrogen gas. So, if you take a metal and you react it with dilute acid, what do you get is salt along with hydrogen gas that is liberated. So, always remember, friends, when a metal reacts with an acid, what do we get is salt and hydrogen gas is liberated. Now, friends, generally, the reaction of any metal with an acid actually depends upon certain conditions. And what are the conditions? Yes, the first condition is the strength and the concentration of the acid, whether the acid you're using is dilute or the acid is concentrated. And the second important condition is the reactivity of metal and the temperature. Because there are certain metals which are less reactive, there are metals which are moderately reactive, and there are certain metals which are highly reactive. Temperature is also one of the most important conditions for this reaction because there are certain metals which react with acid at room temperature, but there are certain metals which do not react with acids at the room temperature. That means you need to heat them a little, right? So that the reaction takes place. Let's take some examples. The first example we have over here is of magnesium metal. Magnesium metal reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, resulting in the formation of magnesium chloride, which is a salt, along with the liberation of hydrogen gas. So, friends, remember, whenever a metal reacts with dilute acid, it results in the formation of its salt, along with the liberation of hydrogen gas. To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.